everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name's Kelly. Hi if you're new. I'd love if you guys hit that subscribe button down below along with the little bell next to it. That way you can get notified the next time I upload my newest video. And today I'm sharing with you guys my holiday cookies. I am so excited about this. Yesterday in my Vlogmas vlog, I went shopping for all the cookie supplies. If you guys haven't seen that yet, I will insert a card so you can check it out. But I'm going to be making 3 different cookies. I'm going to a cookie party tomorrow on Saturday and I'm so excited because we do this every year. It's like a family tradition and it's so much fun, but I went for most festive because your girl can't bake, so I just bought pre-made cookies and decorated them. So in the comments I want you guys to comment which cookie's your favorite, 1, 2, or 3, because I would love to know. But I'm just going to show you guys how I made them, explain it very simply. If you guys want to make these cookies too, I found them on Pinterest. I did not come up with these all by myself. Just want to put that out as a little disclaimer, but I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to give it a big thumbs up if you do, and let's just get into it. For cookie number 1, you are going to need some white icing, some mini M&Ms, some sugar cookies. You can make them or buy pre-made ones like I did. And you're just going to open up your icing. This one was like marshmallow flavor. It smelled so good, you guys. And I really liked it. It went on so nice because it was super fluffy. You are going to need some decorating tips for your black icing. I'm just using like a small, it's the number 5 tip is what the package says. And it really helps keep your lines nice and precise. And then after you get everything open, I'm opening up the mini M&Ms. I'm going to be taking my white fluffy icing and just putting this all over the sugar cookie. You just want like a nice circle. And then I'm going to be taking my black icing and doing 2 lines across the cookie. They don't have to be perfect. This is just how I saw it as my inspiration. And I'm going to be taking the colorful M&Ms and putting them on. They look like little Christmas lights. I thought it was so stinking adorable. I tried to mix the colors up so they weren't like too repetitive and like far away from each other and stuff. And that is your little Christmas light ornament cookie. And I'm just going to keep making them because I have to make over a dozen of them. I found it really helpful, and this might be a helpful tip if you do have to make a lot of cookies, is if you do all the steps one by one, like I'm icing all the cookies and then I'm going to go by and do all the black icing to every single cookie after I already iced all of them, instead of making one cookie one at a time. If that makes sense, it's really helpful and it speeds it up a lot. Okay, we're moving on to cookie number 2. These are my personal favorites. So you're just going to need a pastry bag of vanilla icing, some mini chocolate chips, and some Oreos. And you guys, I love double stuffed Oreos. They smell so good. Got this little pastry bag from Pillsbury. They have instructions on the side, which is so helpful. Some mini M&Ms from Nestle, and these are so good, you guys. And this tip was really easy to get off, and I just wanted to show it to you guys in case you have never seen that. And you're going to take your Oreo, and the shape I would describe this in is like a little heart, like the top of a heart, and that's going to make the penguin's face. And it turns out really cute. And then you're going to take some little mini M&Ms and use those as the penguin's eyeballs and just put them on there in the little heart, like the top of the heart. And then you're going to be taking your orange gel and making a little nose. Isn't that so cute, you guys? I'm obsessed. So again, I'm just going to keep doing this over and over again because I have to make so many cookies. Oh my goodness, we're already on cookie number 3, and these are so cute. So you're just going to be taking some sugar cookies. Again, I bought mine pre-made. You can make them if you want. Some red sugar sprinkles. These are so festive. I love the look of them. Some mini chocolate chips. And some orange gel, which is kind of like icing, and the pastry bag that we used from earlier. You should still have plenty of icing, and then some regular icing as well. So starting off, I'm just going to be icing my cookie into a little circle like we did for the first cookie. Super simple. And then I'm going to be taking a piece of paper. I folded it in half to make it a little thicker, and we're going to be adding sprinkles to our cookies. But I almost did this without getting a plate, but then my mom reminded me, so thank you, Mom. Otherwise, we would have had a mess. And you're gonna put your piece of paper halfway through the cookie and sprinkle the top part of the cookie. The paper just helps keep the sprinkles off the other side, and then when you tip it over, some of the loose sprinkles will come off, but the plate really helped keep the mess down. And then we're gonna be taking the pastry bag and dabbing it on, and that's gonna make like the little white fluffy part of Santa's hat. Then we're going to be taking the mini chocolate chips and putting little eyes on, and we're also going to do like a snowman like mouth where it's just little dots into a smile. And once that's done, we're going to be taking the orange gel and adding a little carrot triangle nose like a snowman. It's so cute and so festive, and this is my second year making these. I just absolutely love the look of these cookies. So again, I'm just going to keep doing this over and over again. Super easy. Just follow the steps one by one through all the cookies and then do it. It just saves so much time. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to give it a big thumbs up if you did, and if you are new to my channel, definitely hit that subscribe button down below. That way you can get notified the next time I upload my newest video. I'm so excited to share my cookies with my family and everything, but I would love to know which cookie was your favorite, so let me know in the comments down below. If you guys do make these cookies, be sure to tag me on my social medias. They're all listed down below, but I'd love to share them with everyone. I think they're super cute and they're so easy to make, you guys. But again, I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. You guys are awesome, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye, guys.